Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the appearance of the navigation on the Maps.me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should tap on the more icon down below, which is the last option. Then go to the settings section, scroll down till you find this navigation section and tap on the first option, appearance. Here you can select the theme color, the application icon, and you can also turn on the night mode if you feel like to do so by clicking on this button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.